Today I am discussing about very simple topics: molarity, amolality. Okay, generally it is considered as reactions in solutions. Okay, so first term molarity. The molarity equal to number of moles of solute by volume of solution in liter. You can say molarity is the ratio of number of moles of solute by volume of solution in liter. Generally, question can be asked based on numerical. Question can be asked, how will you calculate molarity of solution if 20 gram sodium hydroxide is dissolved in water to prepare 1 liter of solution. So listen, how will you calculate solution? Listen, very simple. First, 20 gram sodium hydroxide. Its molecular mass calculate. So I think 40 U, Na 23, oxygen 16, hydrogen 1. It means 40. Then for determining number of moles of solute, it means 20 by 40 divided to 20 to the 40, 1 by 2, it means 0.5. A solution given 1 liter, the 0.5 but by 1 liter. If you do the 0.5 by 1 to solve it, so I think 0.5, it means decimal will change. So 5 by 10, 5 to the 10, it means 1 by 2, it means 0.5. Molarity equal to 0.5 m. Okay, so first I have discussed how will you calculate. Now second, molality. Molality equal to number of moles of solute by mass of solvent in kg. Listen again. Molality is the ratio of number of moles of solute by mass of solvent in kg. Suppose that question can be asked, 30 gram glucose is dissolved in 1 kg of water. 30 gram glucose is dissolved in 1 kg of water. So find the molality. So how will you find? The very simple, same way to determine number of moles of solute. 30 gram glucose. So 30, a molecular mass glucose 180. So 30 by 180 divide it. So I think 130 by 180. So 1 by 6. The 1 by 6 by 1 kg, it means what? 1 by 6 m molarity. Okay. So I think I have discussed how will you calculate molarity and how will you calculate molality. At present time, I discussed two topics, molarity and molality. Both are considered in reaction in solution. Next day, I can discuss mass percent of solution. It means how will you calculate concentration of solution. And one more, how will you calculate mole fraction. So in this video I explained molarity and molality. Thank you everyone. Listen, students of class 11th, I am preparing video for you. So particularly students of class 11th, subscribe it to prepare more and more videos for you. It means students of class 11th.